Imagine two people, same income, same city, same starting point. At the beginning, there's no difference. They work the same hours, earn the same paycheck, but give it time. 5, 10 years later, everything changes. One of them is calm, financially stable, in control. The other? Still stressed, still stuck, still wondering where it all went. So what changed? Not luck, not opportunity. Rules? Simple rules most people ignore because they seem too basic to matter. But they matter more than anything. First, spend less than you earn. No exceptions, because it's not about how much you make. It's about what you keep. That gap between income and spending is where your future is built. Lose that gap, and nothing else works. Next, never let money sit still, because money that isn't working is quietly losing value. You don't see it, but it's happening every day. Every dollar needs a job, to protect you or to grow for you. Otherwise, it slowly fades. Then comes protection. Because life doesn't warn you, unexpected problems happen. And without a buffer, one moment can erase years of progress. But with a safety net, you stay in control. You don't panic. You move forward. After that, deal with debt. Because debt isn't just money. It's your future time, already promised away. And interest makes it worse. Remove it, and you move forward instantly. Then there's one thing most people ignore. Enough. Because if you don't define it, you'll keep chasing more forever. More income, more upgrades, more pressure. But people who win financially decide what enough looks like, and they stop moving the target. That's where real freedom starts. Here's the truth. This isn't complicated, it's consistency. Doing simple things for a long time, while others wait or chase shortcuts. So start now. Protect your gap. Give your money purpose. Build your protection, and stay consistent. Because wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built in small decisions, repeated every day. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.